a great feeling here in Ollie's land. I honestly want to thank our Honorable CM Shri Naveen Patnaik ji for organizing such an amazing event.
Second time out thore hockey hochi amar honorable chief minister ko pai, and I would like to thank him a lot. Because of him it's happening again.
हमारे नवीन सर इसने इतना अच्छा अरेंजमेंट किया है. I am speechless, totally speechless. So thank you, Naveen sir.